Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious clam chowder soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of fresh clams, 6 slices of thick-cut bacon, 2 large potatoes, and 1 cup each of diced onion and celery. Don't forget 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 cups of clam juice, and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a perfect chowder every time. Now, let's build the rich flavor base for our chowder. Start by cooking 6 slices of thick-cut bacon in a large pot until it's wonderfully crispy. Remove the bacon, but leave all that flavorful rendered fat in the pot. Next, add 1 cup of diced onion and 1 cup of diced celery to the pot, sautéing them gently until they become tender and translucent, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, cooking it for 1 minute to create a simple roux. With our roux ready, it's time to add the liquids and potatoes. Gradually whisk in 2 cups of clam juice and 1 cup of water, stirring constantly to prevent lumps. Once smooth, add your 2 diced large potatoes to the pot. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, allowing it to cook until the potatoes are fork tender. This usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. This step is crucial for developing the chowder's creamy texture and ensuring the potatoes are perfectly cooked. For the grand finale, let's add the stars of our show. Stir in 2 pounds of fresh clams and 1 cup of rich, heavy cream. Cover the pot and continue to simmer gently until all the clams have opened, which typically takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Discard any clams that do not open. Finally, ladle your warm, comforting clam chowder into bowls. Garnish generously with the crispy bacon you cooked earlier and a sprinkle of fresh parsley. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.